Hello everyone, this is Fazal Ur Rahman here from codebook.in. Hope you're enjoying my videos on projects. Today I brought you a new project on online courses platform. We are going to create a platform where courses can be purchased. Okay, and we have integrated the payment gateway in this project as well. Let me tell you what are the project software requirements are there. This project is using front-end technologies like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and for backend programming, it uses Python programming language. The framework is the Django framework, which is the topmost framework in Python. The database which we are using in this project is MySQL database. Let me tell you, this project I have also integrated using AWS as well. So real-time AWS cloud also integrated. If you have any doubts regarding that, if you want to integrate the AWS, you can ping me. Okay. Now, there are three different types of users are there which are interacting in this project. One is the administrator, second is the instructor, and third one is the student. Let's see one by one all these three users. For better execution flow experience, I am going to open these three users in three different tabs. Let's say this tab is for administrator, and second tab is for instructor, and third tab is for student. Let's go to instructor first and try to register an instructor here. Codebook and email ID, some phone number, gender, and let's select some photo, profile picture, experience, and category of the course, password. Let's give some password here. Register. Enter 10-digit phone number. You can see the validations we have given are working very correctly. Register. Registration is successful. Now let's try to log in here, instructor, and let me provide the same details. Login. Now the application has a message for the user. Account status, your account is pending. You cannot log in now. So here, this application is not like any user can come very easily and register themselves as the instructor. Okay, we have given a dependency to the administrator such that admin will authorize the instructor. Let's go to admin and authorize this user. Admin login, I am logging with admin credentials. And this is the dashboard we have created, simple dashboard for administrator, where we can see number of instructors, students, and how many courses are there, feedbacks. Let's go to view instructors, and you can see there is an instructor waiting here. The account status is pending. We can click on this accept button to accept the user account. Now the account is accepted. This user will be able to log in now. Let's go to instructor. Try to log in with the same credentials what we have given at the time of registrations. Login. Now you can see the login is successful. This is the dashboard of the instructor where we can see how many number of students are there overall courses and feedbacks. Now let's go to courses and add a course here. Course name, I am saying monthstack. Course fees, so 9,500. Duration 30 days. Image of the course, let's give some image. Video URL. Description of the course. Now add course. The course is added. Let's go to manage course, and you can see the course is available here. If you want to edit this course after the Okay, submission, you can click on this edit button and you can edit some details like price if you want to update, or you want to update the duration, you want to update the image, you can do that. Next, similarly, add a test option is there. We can add the test like the Python. I'm saying what is the new version of Python? Option 1, 3.10. Option 2, 3.9, 3.11, and 3.12. The correct answer is 3.11. Marks 1 marks. Let's submit this. Submit it. Now here, after the submission, let's go to student and try to register a new student here. Some phone number, gender, photo. Password, register. 10-digit mobile number. Okay. Register now. Registration successful. Let's try to log in with the same credentials. Let me give invalid details and try to log in. You can see it says account status is invalid login. Let's try to log in with the same credentials. And if I log in now, it says account status, your account is pending, because here also students has to wait for the admin approval here. Let's go to admin now. And in the view students, you can see here there is a student puzzle who is waiting for the account activation. Let's click on this accept button to activate this user account. Now I can log in with that user. Login successful. And you can see there is a simple dashboard for student as well. Now courses are 4, exams study 8, marks are this. Here, let's go to courses and browse course. You can see these are all the courses: Java, Django, web development, and Stack. Let's click on this Stack. Okay, you can click on this button or directly you can click on the image. Both the things are same. Now here it displays the details like course name, course duration, and amount of the course. Let me tell you, here we have integrated payment gateway. Razorpay we are using here for payment purpose. It's just the testing mode. It will not perform real-time payment. Let's click on Pay Now button, and you can see in the test mode, the payment has started. I'm saying UPI payment. I can scan here, or I can provide the UPI ID. After that, Pay Now. It will perform some processing, and you can see the payment is done. After 5 seconds, it will redirect me to the some page, my courses page. Callback URL is my courses page. Payment successful. Now in the my courses page here, okay, you can see the Stack course which we have purchased is available. Now, as this course is purchased, similarly browse course. Let's purchase, okay, Java also, and Pay Now. Same way, the payment is being processed here. When the payment is successful, it will redirect to the callback URL, which is nothing but my courses. Payment successful. Now there are 2 different courses are there, Stack and Java. Now there is an option here for the user to perform the quiz as well. Okay, quiz. In the quiz, you can see there are 3 different quiz test names are there. Let's give a test for this Java. Take test. And you can see some sort of questionnaires are there, MCQs, 10 are there. Let us provide some random answers. Submit all the 10 answers I have given. Let's submit the page. Validation successful. Now, if I go to result here, you can see I have got here 2 marks. 2 answers I have given correct. If you want to see what are the complete answers which are correct and which are wrong, you can click on this view full result. And you can see here, my first is this, second is this, third, fourth, fifth. Fifth answer I have given very correctly, this one. And this answer I have given correctly. Out of 10, 2 answers, 2 is the score. And I can provide the feedback as well. Very nice app to learn new skills. Send. Profile, I can check my profile and update something here. Let's say I am updating my phone number, update profile. Profile is updated successfully. You can see the profile is updated. And if I go to instructor now, and if I click on students, I can check here there is a student available. And feedback, you can see there is a feedback from the student, from me. And the profile of the instructor. Here also you can update anything. Next, in the administrator, if you go, view courses option is available. This course, view feedback is there. View marks is there. Got it? So this is a complete e-learning platform, or you can say online learning, online courses. Got it? So this was the complete project execution and explanation. I have just tried to explain you some parts of the project. It's not the complete explanation about the coding and everything, but simply overall some overview we have got with this project. Okay. So if you have any doubts, you can get back to me. With this, I conclude the project execution. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. Bye for now.